He just dropped the best AI model of his career. A total open source win. And then, poof, 24 hours later, he's out. Fired by his own company. It's March 3rd, 2026. The whole AI scene is still hyped up from a massive launch the day before. But for Junyang Lin, you probably know him as Justin online. This high is gonna crash fast. He's at his computer, not celebrating, but typing out a post for X. A message that feels like the end of something huge. Not just for him, but for a project that basically rewrote the rules for open source AI. Before this day, Qwen was just a name. A name that meant big dreams and a massive community. They launched it back in April 2023, went public that September, and bam, it became a monster. 600 million downloads. 600 million. Qwen models were constantly going head-to-head with OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and yeah, they were beating them on benchmarks. And who was driving all this? Junyang Lin. The tech lead, the guy who architected Qwen from the jump. He's a language whiz, got a humanities degree from Peking University, and landed at Alibaba in July 2019. His whole thing? Algorithm hardware co-design. Basically, finding a way around the massive compute power these AI models usually need, making them actually usable for more people. He was all about AI being for the community. You could feel that vibe if you followed Qwen's story. The latest masterpiece, Qwen 3.5, totally proved that. It's a line of smaller models, from 0.8 billion to 9 billion parameters, built with this super advanced gated DeltaNet hybrid thing. It had this insane 262,000 token context window, and get this, it could run smoothly on your laptop, your phone, even in a web browser. The launch on March 2nd, 2026, was a technical home run. Even Elon Musk gave it a shout-out, calling the performance impressive intelligence density. The AI world was buzzing. On Reddit, the local llama folks were posting, shipping Qwen 3.5 as a parting gift to the open source community is a hell of a way to sign off. Respect. They went on to say, Junyang was clearly a big part of why Qwen felt for the community, and not just another big lab pushing metrics. But as the online cheers faded, a storm was brewing over the Qwen team. Less than a day after their biggest win, a very different kind of message dropped. Junyang Lin posted a short, blunt update on X. Me stepping down. By my beloved Qwen. And he wasn't the only one. Junyang Hui, a staff research scientist, changed his X bio to formerly MTSU Alibaba Qwen. Then Kaixing Li, a super promising intern, also announced he was out. 3 key people from the Qwen, gone. All at once. Publicly? Crickets. None of them said why. They clammed up, leaving everyone guessing and the community totally confused. But then, a colleague named Chen Chung dropped a bombshell reply on X, spilling the beans. She wrote, I'm truly heartbroken. I know leaving wasn't your choice. Just last night, we were side by side launching the Qwen 3.5 small model. I honestly can't imagine Qwen without you. This wasn't them quitting. This was a cleanout. The day after their biggest product launch ever, Alibaba had just fired its star AI team. The timing? Brutally perfect. Classic corporate move. Launch the thing, then shake everything up. Wenting Zhao, another Qwen team member, felt it too. She called it the end of an era. Yuchen Jin, CTO at Hyperbolic, remembered those all-night sessions building models, talking about how much the team poured into it. And Tieshan Wang from Hugging Face APAC just called it an immense loss for the whole AI world. But seriously, why? Why gut a team that just delivered a massive win, getting global praise and love from the community? The answer is buried in the messy truth of corporate strategy, the massive gap between pure research and making bank. Alibaba, like all the big tech players, was going all in on making money from AI. Their daily active user numbers weren't hitting targets, and the pressure was insane. As VentureBeat put it, there was a deepening rift between researchers who built the models and a corporate hierarchy pivoting toward aggressive monetization. Projects like DeepSeek blowing up in open source put Alibaba in a tough spot. Yeah, the community loved Qwen, but that love wasn't directly paying the bills. And in this cutthroat tech world, especially in China where AI labs are under huge pressure from the government and investors, Money talks louder than community. This isn't some one-off weird story. The AI world has seen this movie before. Think about Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, leaving Google. The whole insane power struggle between Ilya Sutskever and Sam Altman at OpenAI. Emad Mostak getting booted from Stability AI. These are all researchers, these visionaries, crashing hard against the money-making demands of the companies they helped build. Alibaba picked revenue, and their open-source stars paid the price. What even is Qwen anymore? A project built on open access and community, now without its founders? It's a brutal punch to the gut, a reminder that even the coolest, most community-focused projects can get tossed aside for corporate greed.